5 Natural Homemade Spa Treatments for Beautiful Skin. We'd all love to have the beautiful shining skin that results from a luxurious spa facial treatment, but we don't always have the time, or we may not be willing to part with the money. Here are 5 ways to pamper your skin at home with items you might already have in your kitchen cupboards. Blackstrap Molasses Facial Mask. To draw out impurities, slather it directly onto dry face with the back of a spoon and then spread it around with your fingers to cover. Full of minerals in their natural form, this mask should be left on for around 20 minutes. It's good to keep a cotton swab handy so that you can rub at any itchy spots without getting sticky black fingers. Rinse off with warm water. Honey and turmeric facial mask. To tighten oily skin, mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a couple of tablespoons of honey, preferably organic, until combined, it will be lumpy. Spread all over dry face, making sure T-zone is completely covered. Leave on around 20 minutes. Same as above, it's a good idea to keep a cotton swab nearby, as the turmeric will stain your fingers yellow if you touch your face while wearing this mask. Rinse off with warm water, and then use a wet washcloth to remove last traces of yellow. Baking soda scrub. To exfoliate, pour a couple of tablespoons of baking soda, not baking powder, in a small saucer. Add water a little at a time, mixing with your fingers until it is moist enough to apply to face with your fingertips. Gently massage in circles all over face for 30 to 60 seconds and then rinse off with cool water. Apple cider vinegar. To tone and close pores, apply directly to skin with a cotton ball. It should sting mildly for only a few seconds, but if you have sensitive skin you may want to dilute it with water before applying. Organic apple cider vinegar is best, but the regular version will work as well. Coconut oil. To moisturize, dry skin will drink it up. Apply it directly with your fingers to add softness and a youthful glow to your complexion. Virgin coconut oil adds even more nutrients. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.